Amanda Man. Uy, ina. Zee, ba't di mo sinabi? Zee, ba't di mo sinabi? Hindi ko na-record, Zee. Pero na-screenshot ko, pero patapos na. Painis ka. Thank you, Zee. Sabi mo wala akong pera. Okay na. Sorry ha, mukhang sawang-sawa ka na sa akin. Yay! Cola, ulala. Happy Kota, guys! Happy Kota, oh, you're my lucky Z. Lucky Z and Lucky Aman for today. May utang. Anong utang? Buhatin na lang kita sa ML. I will carry you in Mobile Legends. Do you want that? After nito, tara G. Tara G, after nito. Ano? Akaza, shall we? Kota na tayo. Alright. Sabi mo lang kang pera Z. Ang pangalan nun? Nanlalasan lang ako. Amanda Man. Wait lang. I'll search your name in IG. Aman. J, thank you no. Gumastos ka pa tuloy ng malaki. Ikaw kasi. Oh, there. I already followed you. Amen. Uy, na-hit na natin yung 60. I'm so happy. Ano ba yan, Z? Kinikilig ako. I'm blushing, oh. I'm blushing. Di lang malata. Di lang ito sa camera. But I'm blah, 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 blah. Amen. Thank you. Di ba? What to? Oy, hindi mo alam you don't know how to express feelings, no? It's okay, I understand you, Z. Time is complicated. What do you mean complicated? Amen. I already followed you. Wow. Oy, grabe naman si Aman. Nagpapaano siya. Wow, you're so lakas, Amanda man. You're giving, what's this? I stalk you. Oh my gosh. So you want me to follow you just to envy your host? Aman, ay ano, Ate Emery, shall we? Grabe, ang lakas niya, Z. Nagpapabarko siya. Ay, barko. Yate. Nagpapayate siya, oh. Aman is so lakas. Pakno, shall we? Carlos. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Siguro, kung magpapayate si Z, papatayin niya na ako. No, Z? Ayun, oh. Grabe naman yan. 12 bucks. Pina 12 bucks? Ako nga, di ko pa naranasan mag-box-box eh. Nagpaparinig ako. When you drive in the car, I'm your baby. Super mama innocence in the basket. Say you love, say you love, say you love. Wala na ako masabi. Sabi ko, sabi ko, yeah. Wait lang, nag-i-stock pa ako, Z. Wait for me, okay? Thank you, Carlos! Taray, ang ganda naman. 300K. Ano to, Aman? Is this all your host? Can you drive in the car? And just to know you. Oh! Okay, sige Z. I'll just message you here, Aman. Because you're not active in Bigo. Oh, okay. Hello! Sige na, magbasa ka na. Oh. Sorry. Sige na, Z, magbasa ka na. Parang naaalibad-baran ka na naman sa boses ko. Charing! Ayaw mo kasi maging admin eh. Di ba? When you drive in the car, I'm your baby. Sipping on the innocent in the backseat. Hi, San, Kazmak, Shall we all this? Anong binabasa mo, G? Manga, ganon, manhwa, mga ganyan? Sipping in my innocence in the backseat. Say you love, say you love, say you love me. You're not the common man. You're so lakas. Charot.